All right, this is the Choetech, however you say this brand name, magnetic phone car mount. It's a magnetic car holder made for the iPhone 12. So there's no magnetic plate that you attach to the back of your phone. Because it uses the Magsafe magnets inside your iPhone 12 to align properly. Now this one does not charge your phone. I know there are other types of holders that charge your phone, but this one doesn't. I guess that's why it's cheaper. This one is around $20 on Amazon.ca. But yeah, I just wanted something inexpensive and simple to use. I'm a bit worried that on bumpy roads the phone won't hold very well, but according to the Amazon description, it has, let me look, yeah, the holder has a super magnetism. So let's just unbox it. Okay, so it comes in pieces. All right. All right, let's assemble this now. And let's see how it holds and how it aligns. Oh, wow. It really just finds its way. That's pretty cool. That's a good grip. I don't think it's going to fall off easily. I don't want to shake it too much because I don't have a case on there, but yeah, it looks pretty firm. So yeah, that's what I wanted. It finds its place really easily, so I like that. It aligns with the MagSafe magnets inside your phone. So like I said, there's no metal plate that you install or stick at the back of your phone. All right, let's get in the car and try it out. Now that we are in the car, we can actually try to set it up. Now it's
19 a.m.
Yeah, I don't know why my Apple Watch decided to tell me the time, but okay. It's gonna be hard to try to set this up while holding the camera, but so basically you just loosen this clamp here. You put it in, and then yeah, it's really hard doing this with one hand, but yeah, pretty easy. There. And then yeah, oh, it's securely in place. Yeah, it's not gonna fall off. Yeah, I think those rubber pads here, no, it's not rubber, but this material here is really good to be anti-slip. Yeah, I'm filming with another camera, so I can try it out with my iPhone 12. All right, I'm not sure if it's stable enough, but I like how it aligns like automatically on the thing. Yeah. All right. So let's go on the road and see if it holds up. Okay, I hope you can see everything. Since I can't, film and drive at the same time, I had to put the camera down at an angle. But I've been driving on bumpy roads, as you can hear, for the past hour or so, and this thing didn't budge at all. It's pretty good. The magnets are really strong. And my main concern was, the D-brand skin. that I have on there. Will it, reduce the grip? But no, it did not. So I'm pretty happy with that. Sorry for the angle. I do not have a really good setup to show you that, but I hope it's good enough. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time.